Hey, greetings. This is Mr. Kabilski. I'm going over some additional material for Class Connect. And if you are wondering how to get some of the functions that I have, I will show you very quickly. Okay, if I'm trying to get, let's see, this RSVMe survey, I'll click on here for me, but then it comes up like this. Whoa. And what I do is I'll just copy that link, okay? And then I'll go over to here, up to, now you have to have moderator privileges for this, but it's a web tour. And then if you click in here, what's going to happen, it's going to go into the field right here, which you see currently. And everybody, I believe, is going to get the same information. I'm not real sure. I don't really use a web tour. But what I do, I go into here. Nope, let's go back to the main page. I go into here and click over here next to follow me, and it comes up with an open URL in the browser. So this is in students' individual browsers. I click on that, and then voila, there you can see a new window or a current window with a new tab. It pops up with your access there. So that's pretty good. The other thing I do is I'll click in down here in the chat area. I'll send it there. And another way to do it, you can also put a hot link, go into a new page. If you go over to your text area, I'll click on A, which gives you one line. The A with the multiple lines gives you multiple lines. So I click on there, and I'm active in there right now. So if I press on Control V, that link appears in that access area. Now for me, I like to make it a little bit bigger, so there it is. Now you notice it's black, but as soon as I change to a different area of my tab, it turns blue, which means it's a hot link. Now to move it, which is problematic, you just kind of highlight it, and then once you see it's highlighted and it has a box around it, you can move it. But if you click on it in your window, you'll get an access window up as well, which I'll show you right here. So if I happen to click it by mistake, boom, here's another window. So it takes a little bit of getting used to. So you can see I have multiple surveys up here. Those are just some of the tips and tricks for me. If I want to go ahead and let's say I want to load some of my dancing letters, I can go over to my browser, and you have to know where they're at. This is on my configuration. And I'll go over to Fun Graphs, and let's see, let's do let's do the beach ball. Okay, so this is graphics that I have previously saved on my computer. So I know where they're at. I can go over and pull them in, and then boom, they're right here. You can resize them as well if you want to. So you can do a lot of other fun things. That's just a little bit of tips and tricks from Mr. Kabilski. If you have questions, please get a hold of me, because I would love to be able to help you do more and know more. Thanks, and have a great day.